In this tutorial, we will explore how to use premium presentation mode for slide decks in NotebookLM. After installing the Notebook OS Chrome extension, open any NotebookLM notebook that already has a slide deck artifact. You will see a toggle that allows you to turn on premium presentation mode. Switch it on. We also recommend creating your slide deck artifact using Notebook OS Studio recipes, so the slide deck is better optimized for the best possible premium presentation mode experience. Next, open the slide deck in NotebookLM as you normally would. When you expand the viewer, you will see a Present button at the bottom. Click Present, and you can deliver your slide deck in a cleaner, more polished presentation environment without unnecessary visual distractions during your talk. You can also switch to full screen mode to hide the URL bar and browser tabs so your audience can focus completely on your presentation. Please note that watermark removal only works inside premium presentation mode. If you download the slide deck, the NotebookLM watermark will still remain on the exported file. With premium presentation mode, Notebook OS helps you turn NotebookLM slide decks into a cleaner, more formal, and more professional presentation experience.